Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here. And in today's video, I am going to be providing you all with a complimentary skincare regimen. Every month, I provide my glow list, which is my email list, a complimentary skincare regimen for the month. Not only are these skincare regimens here to help you achieve healthy, glowing skin, but you also get to get some great quality skincare products for 20% off the whole month. So let's get into this complimentary skincare regimen of the month. And if you would like to be the first to receive this complimentary skincare regimen each month, all you have to do is visit my website down in the description box and subscribe to the glow list. Also, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, have your push notifications on, and go ahead and leave me a comment with your skin concerns, your skin goals, and maybe I'll address it in a later video. So this month's skincare regimen is Skin Recharge. So as we know, summer is almost over, even though it is still extremely hot outside, but this daily regimen gives your skin what it needs to recover. With this skincare regimen, we'll be replenishing hydration, supporting the skin barrier, as well as improving the overall look of your skin. As always, consistency is key. So as long as you are consistent, you should have a more healthier looking, balanced complexion. All right, so let's get into the steps of this skincare regimen. So in the morning, you are going to cleanse with the Mega Cream Cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleansers. I talk about it all the time on my social medias and my glow list. Like, I'm sure they're tired of hearing me say it. I talk about it in the treatment room. I love this cleanser that you apply to dry skin. Massage it into your skin for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you can add a little bit of water and then remove. I love this cleanser because it helps break down my makeup, eyeliner, and mascara. It's safe for lash extensions, and it's perfect when trying to improve the barrier of your skin. If you have a compromised barrier, this is a great cleanser. If you've just gotten skincare treatments or a facial, this is a great cleanser to use afterwards. The next step is to mist your skin with the CBD Skin Mist. This is another great product. It's great for those with pigmentation concerns, redness, those with acne. This is a great skin mist for you. It is infused with CBD and vitamin B3. So it's really going to help soothe that irritation in the skin, reduce redness, as well as help with the overall complexion of your skin. The next step in this skincare regimen is the Daily Skin Clarifier and the Protective Skin Serum. So the Daily Skin Clarifier is a staple at GlowTreatmentStudio. I recommend it to all, if not most, of my clients. This is your tyrosinase inhibitor, so it's really going to help fade that pigmentation as well as prevent future pigmentation in the skin. Great for those with redness as well. And of course, you have your antioxidants, which helps protect your skin throughout the day. Antioxidants and SPF are key. The Cell Protection Serum is going to help with your skin's barrier. It has your humectants, your ceramides, and your antioxidants. If you want to continue to age gracefully, this is the serum to have in your skincare regimen. Next is your moisturizer. So that is going to be Comfort Cream, which is a soothing moisturizer. If your skin feels dry, sensitive, flaky, this is the perfect moisturizer for you for daily use. This moisturizer is ideal for all skin types, but especially after getting certain skincare treatments or even if you get waxed. But we don't want to neglect our eye area, so the firming eye cream is also within that moisturizing step. make sure to use your ring finger to apply. And I also like to take my eye serums and eye creams around. The last step of your morning skincare regimen is sunscreen, SPF. Make sure you have that. If not, all the steps that we just did was for nothing. For your evening skincare routine, it's basically the same steps, except you're going to do 2 cleanses. So the first cleanse is going to be that mega cream cleanser that we used this morning. The second cleanser is going to be the glycolic facial cleanser, which is a cleanser that contains those AHAs to help with age concerns, pigmentation concerns. If you have acne, great for that. But it's just a great exfoliating cleanser. If you like to mask during the week, once a week, try out the anti-aging exfoliant mask. This is a blend of physical and chemical exfoliants. This is gentle yet effective, and it's great if you can't go in to physically get skincare treatments right now or a good facial. Just do your facial at home with the anti-aging exfoliant mask. As a reminder, select products from the skincare regimen will be 20% off all this month. I'll have a link down below with all of the skincare products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next month for next month's skincare regimen.